BrandCrowd is an online platform that offers logo design and brand identity services. Users can order custom logos from professional designers through the platform. If you are a graphic designer and want to start making money through BrandCrowd, there are several ways you can do this. Create an account on the platform. Join BrandCrowd as a designer and start offering logo design services. Make sure your online portfolio looks professional and shows the best work you've done so far. 1. Participate in design competitions. BrandCrowd periodically organizes logo design contests. You can participate in these contests and try to create the best designs to win prizes. 1. Accept orders from customers. You can accept orders from customers through the BrandCrowd platform and collect money for your designs. Make sure you are open to customer suggestions and that you offer quality service to get positive reviews. 1. Participate in the referral program. BrandCrowd offers a referral program where you can earn money by recommending the platform to other designers. Try to promote the platform to your designer friends or through social networks to get recommendations. With a little work and creativity, you can make money through the BrandCrowd platform if you are a talented graphic designer. Make sure you maintain your skills through regular practice and by learning new techniques and trends in design. I hope that this blog will provide you with useful information to start making money through the BrandCrowd platform. It is a popular option for businesses looking to create a strong brand identity and differentiate themselves from the competition. Through the BrandCrowd platform, users can order custom logos from professional designers. 1. The process is simple. 2. The user fills in an online offer request form, specifying the requirements for the desired logo. 3. Professional designers respond with price offers and present design concepts. 4. The user chooses a designer and places an order. 5. The designer works on the final design and delivers it to the user. BrandCrowd also offers a referral program where designers can earn money by recommending the platform to other designers. There are also periodic logo design contests through which designers can win prizes. The BrandCrowd platform addresses both small businesses and large companies that want to create a strong brand identity. It offers a variety of design styles, including minimalist, modern, elegant and vintage, so that every business can find a design that suits its needs. I hope that this information gives you a clearer picture of what the BrandCrowd platform offers.